Okay, hello guys, it's the Emoji Squad. Hola. Hello guys, so it's the Emoji Squad and we are playing with our cousin. This is her. It's Matcha. Yeah, we all have Robux. Smart. But I will not be using this in any kinds of videos. And yeah, this is our cousin. It's called Matcha. Matcha. I know, we know. I'm the innocent. Oh, sheriff again? What? My brother is always a sheriff because he have good. Where are you? Oh, I saw Khalil. I saw Sad. Oh, I see you now. I see. He's right over here. Guys, this guy that has the blue wallet, I don't know, is Khalil. Yeah.
Let's find out who's the merc.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, but this one is this one is Naglaki lang tayo Khalil.
Yeah, I know. We already know the sheriff. Ah! I fell. Ah! Oh my god, that girl almost. Oh my god. This girl is a. Yeah, I know. She's a camper.
Yeah, you need to choke him. You need to try to choke him. Gosh, he died.
Wait,
She's a camper.
I know.
Wow.
We all know.
I always wow.
She's literally such a camper.
Wow.
See?
I'm so lucky.
But even if she's a camper and no one goes to her, she's gonna fail. She's gonna lose.
And you cannot
Oh my god.
That's this bed how
Oh my god.
and pen everyone. Ate,
Ah.
I wish we had I got
Yes, we heard it all.
Pineapple and pen everyone. And
Oh yes.
you and you. I will pen you and you.
Well, you couldn't bend us.
Yeah? No way. Guys, bend us.
I'll just.
If I had
Oh wait, no, guys, we don't actually have Robux. Our cousin was a. What? Why is that? Oh my god! There's little. Hey, no, you're only just a kid. You're just a kid. Stop. You're just a kid. Abay, sino? I'm innocent again. I'm almost innocent in MM2s.
I'm innocent now.
I'm always innocent in MM2. Guys, I have a good hiding spot here.
Look,
Oh my god, someone died.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, somebody.
I'm just hiding in here.
Oh my god. Wait, I
Can you guys?
This guy bring
I'm just hiding.
This guy bring a knife. Then
I'm just hiding. I don't know about you guys. And I don't.
I'm going for you. Wow, thank. Chloe didn't even help us. Oh, you're there.
Bruh. Oh my god, I was scared. I thought that guy was literally the. Am I this?
Girl, you have Good. I have a secret.
Gosh.
What is
Our cousins usually can hit high notes. I don't know why. And see, I cannot scream anymore. Oh, it's this guy. I know. He's on the third floor. The third floor.
Yeah, I'm not going.
He's on the third floor. And he's jumping. Yeah, I'ma just go down. Yeah. That's the guy. He's literally the murderer. Why did you jump?
What?
That guy is the murderer, bro.
Oh, that's the chicken.
Oh,
Chicken knife. The
Yeah.
chicken knife.
Yeah. How do you guys get up there?
No, I'm just
Ah!
going
God.
through the elevator and I'm shortcutting. Oh, I see the bird.
Oh my god.
That
Where?
guy, guys.
Where?
Ito ni, di ba kunin ko na?
Ay, oh. No, he's not. But he's shooting you. I don't know.
Yes.
Let me just go here.
Use the share. Oh. Yes,
Oh.
free gun.
Hey, give me the gun! You don't know how to aim. It's Khalil. It's Khalil. No, actually. There's a girl in the... Oh, it's this boy. It's the boy. No, it's the boy. Lian, it's the boy! By the way, see, he's the boy. Ah! It's the boy, it's the boy, it's the boy. No, the other boy that has a hunchback. He walks like a grandpa, that boy.
Nothing. Dang. I'm so scared that guy.
Your literally vocal cord is much more stronger than me. Like, I cannot even.
Come with me.
It's not. See, I told you it's the guy that has the hunchback. Oh my God! Use your gun. You're the sheriff. Use your gun. You're the sheriff. Use your gun. You're the sheriff, bro.
I'm so scared with oh my god. Yes, I victory.
No, you did not even kill the. We innocents win, bro. You are too scared. I told you to give me the gun.
So I can respawn it?
Bruh.
I'm judging can you? Yeah.
I can literally kill someone that can jump, bro. Brr, brr, brr.
Please, I'm gonna be over
Just the factory.
first.
Barney is a dinosaur. Duwata. Rian, Duwata. Rian! Ew! You're literally so dirty! You're so dirty! I'm innocent.
Yes, I have a landing spot.
You are literally such a dirty girl.
I am the sheriff. Oh.
Can you give me the gun?
No, she's the mayor. Ah, she's the mayor.
Oh, no, he's the merc.
Everyone.
I know.
Everyone.
Wait, no, he's the merc. I know who's the merc. I know who's the merc. It's this guy. Wait, are you the merc? Yeah. Oh, you're
But
the
they're not even.
No, this guy. Oh, I thought he was the. Oh, you're actually the merc. Okay, come here. Oh, that was good.
Sheriff, dati lalaki. Nga black.
Okay, this guy black. This guy is such.
Who is he? Is this?
No.
Here, come here.
But kill him.
She's
Kill him.
She's here.
Kill him first, bro. I already have a hiding spot and no one even dare to kill me. No one dares to kill me. Let me just use my emotes. Email.
Can you just? I have a hiding spot too, but it's a good.
Oh my God.
You cannot.
Why cannot I do this?
Wow, I said that this is.
What? Wait, what? No one can see me.
Hey, bro, there's a guy here.
No one can see me. No one can ever see me.
just look. Give me.
I just get the word.
I can't even see him.
Maybe get arrested.
Wow.
They
I was
block
so
me.
lucky.
I love you.
I was so lucky.
You know what? Let me change my,
The
Bruh.
lock again.
Let me change my avatar. I just get the world kicking ass in the park. Wait, I'll just blur. I will blur the.
Finally.
Guys, I'm this. Oh, I'm this.
Oh. Wait, let me just change outfit.
I just get the world kicking ass in the. Bro is back.
Okay,
Back.
fine.
Kuya, someone is literally back shouting you. Oh, I'm the sheriff. I'm a sheriff.
I am innocent. Look, I don't have any weapons.
Yeah, me too. I'm the sheriff.
Yes, it's the sheriff.
What babae?
Big gun, data!
let's hide. I'm too scared na. I'm too scared na.
She's here. She's going there.
I'm going here. Yeah, I'm going down.
There's
Go down to the basement.
no, there is there.
Come here.
Come here.
No, come here. No, come here.
Please.
No, come here. Ow.
Yeah, I'm just laughing.
What are you laughing for?
Wait. The sheriff died.
Wait, what?
The sheriff died.
Wait, what?
Yes, the sheriff.
I swear, I'm the sheriff. What do you mean?
You have a fake gun.
I don't have a fake gun.
Look at that. You have a fake gun.
I don't.
Where is she? Where is the gun? I want to get the gun. Where is the gun? Nalali pa. Wow, you killed me. I'm gonna finish it.
Oh.
I'm gonna make some money. I really hate you. Yeah, I am really.
Stop.
You just really killed me.
Why isn't my throwing skills like this, bro?
Patay yung sunog.
Why didn't I kill you? Boom. Patay. Up, bruh. This girl is a spam jumper. I'm gonna patay. Are you guys immune or something? How? Bruh, you literally have, bruh, he has, he has angry issues. Oh man. No, duduwa kami ko. Danog-danogon na, I promise.
Ay?
He has anger issues.
Yeah, that's why you can fool kill me.
I don't care. Bruh. I mean, at least I killed you. I'm a bad murderer, but I'm a good sheriff. Oh, wait.
You're not good sheriff and you're a bad sheriff. I don't care. And you're
Dito, I don't care.
Ew.
I just get the world shaking in the party.
Yes!
Bro's the sheriff or a murderer.
Oh my god.
Don't trust Rian. She's a murderer. No?
I'm just not innocent. Oh, you say innocent.
Okay, I'm a innocent too. I'm a innocent.
I am innocent too.
I'm innocent. I don't
just
have
only
any.
kiss blank bum.
Oh! I know who is the punching. I don't know. Oh my god, stop! Ew! You literally lit this. Ew! Stop! You're so disgusting.
Can I eat them?
Stop! I'm literally... Scuba! 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 Corner. Why is everyone literally joining me?
Why your boat twin? Sorry guys.
Oh my god! How didn't you die, ba?
I was the one.
I'm hiding in here.
Yeah. What is AFK? I think he was swimming. I think he is swimming.
I know.
Well, I think he's swimming.
What are you actually, Rian? I told you were the murderer. Don't kill me, bruh. We can 1v1. Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Oh, they didn't see me. camper. I swear I will kill you. I swear. Oh, ag 1v1 na! I told you to 1v1 eh. Bro sa camper. Oh, I know where the girl is. I will never tell you. I know where the... Oh, bruh. This girl... No, there's one more. There's one more. Oh, you cannot find her. You actually cannot find her. You cannot find her, bruh. Even if you camp, you cannot find her. You cannot find her. You cannot find her.
She's the only one now?
Yeah, she's the only one. Okay, never mind. Oh, yeah, you cannot find her. She's not here. She's actually not here. Oh, wow, did you know? Bruh, you literally such a camper, what? Yeah, I'll be just a camper, guys. I'll just be a camper.
Yeah.
I already took notes. I already took notes, bro. The sheriff did nothing. The sheriff did nothing, but we won. Yo, Rian. The sheriff didn't really. Sure. I'm dancing. I'm jumping up and down. Jumping up and down.
Let me just join you.
We're all alive. I'm so excited. Ow, ow.
Gosh, for your
Innocent!
I thought I was the murderer in the jungle, but I am innocent. Hello?
Let's go.
Wait lang.
Sit here, sit here. Sit
Stay ka lang, ah.
here. Sit here.
Yeah, my sister is nakamotor. They died. There's the...
Someone already died. What? Who is the murderer? Tell me.
That guy. She's hiding in there. Wait.
Wait, what? Why is everyone literally?
You cannot kill me because I'm a good student.
I'ma just camp. Bruh.
Sorry, I cannot kill you, bro. I will take a time so you can kill me. Wow. Oh gosh, she killed me. She's a camper.
I took notes from you guys. Don't worry, I took notes. Oh, I know. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. It's part of the game. We should not be teaming.
Please, Timmy. Please, we're gonna be teammate.
Well, I don't want to. Never mind. Sure. Okay, so we'll be teaming. Where is the people? Where is it? Where's the people? Oh, I'm victory. Finally, my first murder win.
Go to sleep. The innocent sleep. I was the murderer in this one.
Because sun is shining all together. If someone is a murderer, you will kill us and we will spectate where is the people, okay? By the way, guys, this is just for content. We are not cheating, okay? Like, clock it. We are not cheating.
But it's still sitting. I just said.
Because sun is shining all together. I'm innocent.
Innocent.
Bruh, we are all innocent.
Innocent.
We are all innocent.
Wow.
We're gonna play Dunk Murder. It has many kinds of roles. Not just innocent murder and sheriff. Not like that.
Can I kiss you?
No! Fine, let's dance.
Okay. Oh.
Who is the killer?
Guy.
Where?
Guy.
Oh, okay. I didn't
That's
saw.
you. That girl.
go hide there. Go hide there. Go hide there. Go hide there. Follow Khalil. Follow Khalil. Go hide there. Follow Khalil. Go hide there.
Oh my God.
Go hide there. I told you. Follow Khalil.
I wish I could quit this
Bruh.
area. I wish I could quit
Follow
this
Khalil.
area. I wish I could.
Guys, the murder win.
Can we just break the salt motor wall? I play that different. You did the trade. 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 Magandang aad ka niya.
Same.
I already have.
Go to the factory. I already go to the factory.
Can we just play that motor wall?
By yourself.
Wow.
Ah! Because I'm in murderer. I'm murderer. Murderer. Our cousin is a murderer and my brother is a sheriff.
1v1.
Yeah, you guys 1v1. Yes, you guys 1v1. Yes, you guys 1v1. Go outside. Everyone go outside. Everyone go outside. Everyone go outside.
Wait, I see a girl here. That's the moment.
Oh, I know where she is. Right over. Yeah, he's right. Go, kill her. Go. 3, 2, 1. Bruh. Ay, ag 1v1 kayo. Bruh, ag 1v1 kayo. You didn't hear us. Bruh, didn't hear us.
Wait lang, dalam pa tayo beet.
Di may isa pa eh.
Okay, fine. Can you set up? Okay, go.
Wait, it's not done yet.
Finally.
Oh, later.
Maybe it's in that cloud.
He's in the sewers. He's in the sewers.
Wait. There is me.
Rian is in the truck. Rian is in the truck there.
Yes, but
Rian is going out. She's here.
wait, where are you?
Okay, done. No spam jumping. No spam jumping. Go, you can do it. Ay, no spam jumping. No spam jumping. No, didn't. Don't spam.
You need to spend
Hey!
close.
I'm just sitting there.
What?
I'm sitting.
Wait, can we just play God Motor Wall now?
No.
Quiet, just like we're not even play God Motor.
Ow! Where are we going? Office tree. Wait, why did I do that emote? Like, like that.
Yes, office tree.
Wait, I have my
Wait, I have 3 friends now. What are you doing? I have 3
Nag-leave
friends.
ako. Bruh. Okay, anyways guys, bye!